Hello and welcome to Play Smooth Piano. This song is by Drake and it's called Crew Love and it features The Weeknd. Now, due to the nature of this song, I'm going to go ahead and teach both hands at the same time. But in the following section, I'll play both hands slow so that you can see exactly how they mesh together. What we're going to do is we're going to start off with the right playing a C, G, and a C an octave higher arpeggio. So you're playing it from low to high, but really fast like this. Your right hand is going to play A flats. Play the A flat again with your pinky. Then what you're going to do is play B flats in the left, a D, G, and a C in the right. You're going to play a B flat in your pinky and a B flat up here. So putting that portion that we just learned together, it starts like this. After that, you're going to play a D and an A flat, a B flat with your thumb after that, and then a C in the left, a C, E, and a G in the right. So what we're going to do is play that all together right now. It starts right here. And that's where we've learned so far. After that, you're going to play a C in the thumb, and then a G in the left, playing this G here but just an octave lower, and then a C an octave lower. So it's this C here, but it's played an octave lower. You may not be able to see that, but I'm playing that C just one octave lower. So from here, once you get there, you're going to play a C with your thumb after that. And then this is the run that your right hand's going to do. Now, putting that all together, you're going to start out at C, which is this note here, but played an octave higher. You can't see it on the screen, but it's this note here, two black keys, white key, right there, that first white key an octave higher. So you're going to play that C, A flat, G, F, E flat, D, C, and then it repeats A flat, G, F, E flat, and then a D. So don't worry about how they may confuse you right now. When we put it all together, it'll all make sense, but it sounds like this. Once you get here, you're going to repeat the pattern. Now notice I'm playing the pinky first, middle finger, pointer finger, thumb, crossover, middle finger. Actually, it's once you get here, you're actually going to play a D, C, then repeat the whole pattern again. A flat, G, F, E flat, D. I may have missed the D when I first taught you this, but that's how it is. Whoops. And then you're going to start from the top. Now what your right hand's going to do, you're going to jump up here at some point and play a C major. C, E, G. Then you're going to play E, C, and then an E. Now when we put both hands together, you'll notice it's played here. You can work on the timing once you see when it's done or how it's done properly. So we're here. Play the C major in the left when you play the G in the right. So I'm playing a C in the right, then I play the E, G, then the C in the left. These two notes here. And when we put both hands together slower, you'll see when that's played, but that's how it is. It's then you jump right back to the beginning. Now the second time around, you're just going to play the A flat in the left, then the A flat in the thumb, A flat with the pinky again, playing one note at a time. This time I'm just playing the B flat in the left, then I'm playing the B flat in the thumb and the B flat here. So at this point, your left hand is going to jump up and play a D and a B flat. Your right hand plays so notice I'm doing that, then I'm back to where I'm familiar. This is what you learned earlier. And then you repeat.